That's double. Want to double up again?
Hey. David Jesus Lorenzo, get this motherfucker, man. What the fuck's that?
1, 2, 3. All those dope trips, Holmes. Just like that. What?
First bet was 5,000. Double or nothing on the second made it 10.
No fucking way, homie.
Double that made it 20.
Hey!
You want a triple?
Hell no, motherfucker! Hell no! Hey, you said this motherfucker was a beginner. You said he just got started, homie. You said this motherfucker was a beginner, homie.
No, you took
I ain't having it, man.
You took the action time to pay up.
You want your money, homie? You want your money? The fucking money, man. You want your money? You see it? It's right here, baby. Come and get it. What, motherfucker? Come and get it. Pussies. These pussy motherfuckers, man. Right here. Right here. What?